Hello and welcome. Today we're addressing a critical challenge in aerospace and defense, that is how to efficiently create regulatory documentation for software features that must comply with DO 178C. Whether you're developing a flight mode selector or verifying control logic for different flight phases, the challenge isn't writing code, but it's producing accurate and certifiable documentation that aligns with safety standards, without slowing down development cycles. Copilot for DevOps AI helps solve exactly this. Let's walk through how it works using an example from Azure DevOps. You can start with any work item related to a flight software capability. In this case, we have one about managing flight mode selection based on different flight phases. We have also added the description for the user story work item. Next, we launch Copilot for DevOps from the existing Azure work item. Once the interface loads, we select the SOP Document Generator tile. Now, let's explore the layout. On the right-hand side, you can reference an existing work item. Click on Select Work Items and add the relevant one to bring in accurate context. In the bottom right, choose which fields Copilot should read, such as title, description, and tags. On the left side, enter a prompt describing the SOP you need. It can be anything to generate document. If required, click Rewrite Prompt at the bottom left corner to enhance the prompt and ensure it produces a complete, clear document. Now, you can see that it has written in-depth and clear prompt. To generate the SOP, you have two options. Generate with QA allows you to answer follow-up questions to enrich the document. Generate creates it directly from the prompt. We'll choose Generate with QA. It may take a moment here. During this time, Copilot for DevOps analyzes the work item, processes the input, and generates context-aware questions to guide the SOP. Once the multiple-choice questions appear on the left-hand side, you can answer them and add optional comments to tailor the document further. If you want to see additional questions, click See More. After selecting your answers, click Generate button to build the document. It just takes a bit of time as Copilot gathers your inputs, applies formatting, and compiles a structured, standards-aligned SOP. The end result is a ready-to-use document that includes organized sections, visual diagrams to illustrate control logic or workflow. You can then export the SOP to Word or PDF by clicking on Save As button at the bottom right corner. It is ready for use in DO 178C documentation packages or internal reviews. Copilot for DevOps helps aerospace teams move faster, reduce documentation effort, and meet compliance standards with confidence. Start transforming your regulatory documentation process with Copilot for DevOps inside Azure DevOps today.